angels, Paulina here, and I am back with another video. If you have been here before and you are subscribed to me, thank you so much for returning, and if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Leanie, aka Paulina, and I am based in Melbourne, and I do videos on makeup. So if you like makeup and you like what you see, click that subscribe button and follow your girl's journey. So my lovelies, the look I'm creating today is using a number of Maybelline New York products, and I'm using that same transferable products method that I taught you in my previous video. This is the look What do you guys think? If you like the look today and you want to see more looks like this, please, as always, like, subscribe, repost, share, get your girl's name out there, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.